Industrial Company Limited, SUMORE Machinery, was established in 2001. The core business of SUMORE Machinery was focused on full machinery business chain, which involves research and development, fabrication and production, foreign trading and domestic sales range. The products including manual lathe, manual milling machines, CNC milling machines, CNC lathe, slant bed CNC lathe, CNC machining center, CNC machine tools, drilling machines, surface grinders, band saw, magnetic drilling machine, CNC CO2 laser cutting machine, bending machine, etc. SUMORE Machinery are exported to customers all over the world, such as Russia, Italy, Brazil, the United States, Romania, Norway, Saudi Arabia, and other countries. With 23 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting machinery and tools, we enjoy a good reputation among customers around the world for our high quality and first-class after-sales service. At the same time, SUMORE Machinery also provides international companies with opportunities to continuously explore and expand the Chinese mainland market. The success and growth of the SUMORE brand stems from our undying dedication to the industry and our commitment to manufacturing and designing high-quality machine tools for professionals around the world. SUMORE Machinery adheres to the business philosophy of creating value through service and always seeks diversified and extensive cooperation to establish long-term business partnerships. Building a comprehensive trading platform and giving back to the society are the goals of SUMORE Machinery's continuous progress.